What's good, YouTube? You got this book, and I'm back with them banger today. I'm going to do my EDC update, my everyday carry as an armed security guard. So I do have weapons. My gun is not really a weapon, but if I shoot me in the eye, they will go blind. So trust me, I use that as a less lethal. So yeah, the main weapon I have right now is my baton, my pepper spray, and really my handcuffs. Those are the only weapons for now. Alright, so yeah, I got one thing, the rest is the same. Well, I really got two, but one hasn't arrived yet, and one I found at the house today. Yesterday. First, right here, have my red and blue lights. I use this sometimes, not all the time. Same. I always use this one. I never use this one. Never use this one. And I use it sometimes. Then next, I will press it, hold it. Next, I hit my Tokyo keychain. Have all my keys. Grandfather ashes. The key my therapist for me, and a spare handkerchief. Next, right here, my double mag pouch. I have extra ammunition, extra BBs. In total, they have, dang, don't say it. So guys, you're going to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. They hold 14 rounds. You could plus one it, but, well yeah, I plus one it, but, like, one more could fit, but then it would like, dang, how do I explain this? Dang, hold on, I'm about to take, guys, hold on, I'm about to take the magazine on my gun, real quick, and show you guys. Alright, so I got another, okay, I got another beat, and here I go. So then, it won't go in all the way, it will just be like this. So that's why I don't really put it on it. Then it's hard to get out, so. Yeah guys, so look at again, put the BB back in my, inside my mag. Then put it back in my gun. Yeah, so I really love it. I do, I have one inside the chamber. Then I add the next BB. What really was it? Like this. That's my double leg gun. My first aid kit will always be right here, up underneath. My pepper spray, it will be right here, but like I said, I have to start carrying this one. I'm not sure why, but so I got me the same one that the security guard gave me. It should be coming next week, after or before Christmas, I don't know. So this is where I'm gonna pick the new pepper spray at, because it will fit in here. But instead of having it like this, I'm going to have it back here, up sideways, like here. Oh, guys, I'm sorry, I'm keeping the picture phone down. So I'm gonna have it like this, right there. Next, I have my UK Arms M757 6mm caliber. Right here means fire. This S means safety. I guess you could put a light on it. But guys, can someone comment down below what light could come in here? And what holster I should get if I do get a light or laser? Sometimes it will curve, sometimes it will go straight. Trust me, this is powerful. Most people think that I'll be lying, but as soon as I shoot them, they don't shoot me anymore. Oh yeah, I gotta put this back in my safe. Okay. Next right here will be my PR24 holder or Maglite holster right here. I didn't feel like putting it on. So on there, I have my off-brand Biotech cuffs. Got these from my neighbors, Spit WD-40 names like them. They're real good. I have my pepper spray case. I have my backup flashlight. It's pretty white, but yeah. I have two of these and one small one like this, but I use yours as my backup. Well, no, it's my off-duty flashlight, so I always keep it in my pocket. Right here, my 9 case, my Smith & Wesson's Model 100, level lock, double lock option. So you just got push this back. Yeah, M&Ps, keyholes on both sides. Yeah, so these are my favorite cuffs, for my opinion. Right here will be my belt keeper, and on there will be my off-brand handcuffs, Vivatech also. These are the smoothest one on my belt. I did these are the M&Ps, but I think they equal though. Next right here, my top flashlight pouch or holder. I don't know. I got my new flashlight. This been in my house forever. I think this is my dad's or my grandfather's, but I don't know. This is real bright, so it has 3 light modes. So let me cut off this light real quick. And guys, let me move this TV real quick. Okay, so this is, hold on, what kind? Okay, so this is the highest mode. I guess medium or low, I don't know, but this is, well, yeah, this is medium. So high, low, medium. Then next, if you, I got to turn the light on back this, like this. Then next, if you, like, twist it to the right, no, if you twist to the right, then you'll get this one. But then if you twist it to the left and push down, turn to the right, then you will get this. Then we'll get this one. So I really love this. This is probably my favorite flashlight now. Who knows? And plus, when I come back in the future, I'm going to Walmart to probably to give me another flashlight. Guys, you can never have too many flashlights. Just never could. And yeah, next. Yeah, guys, so this is a good flashlight. Oh, dang, I forgot to name it. This is a Coast TP9R. Focus. TP9R. Coast TP9R. Yeah, guys, so, guys, trust me, this shit burns. This shit will make your skin. Y'all better hope you don't get put over by me. So I won't have to flashlight on you. Now here in my Midland radio. Okay. Alright, but I guess no one knows. Next, have my cat tunnel cat, I believe it is. Ready to rock and roll. Next, have my expandable baton. 21 inch, I believe. Glass brick on it. And guys, this is not really a real baton, but it basically is. It's a stick tighten for checking the tire pressure. And yeah. Next, have my oversized cuff case. Do my off-brand silver Vivatech cuffs. It's my uncle's. Then next is like an extra fun right there. Have me a spare handcuff key. Just get her loose those. Yeah, so I like this holster, but I hate it also because it makes a bunch of noise when I run. And yeah, last, I have my body camera. I'm not sure what type it is, but trust me, this is really good body camera. Hold this to make it cut on just for 2 seconds. Then next, if you want to record, you could press this. Or you could press record if you want to take a picture. Press it first and press it again to take a picture. I'm not sure what this is. Yeah. This is a really good body camera. Guys, if you hold the body, if you hold the camera on, like and sign, come on. Then next, if you hold the like microphone thing, it will change colors. Turn gray. So yeah, this is a good body camera. I love it. Say goodbye. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, that bell, share this video for me. Yeah, and peace out.